Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable gestures for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application and now scroll down. Go to device settings and then go to the system at the top, at the middle top. And right here in the third line we have it. So if this slider have colorful background, it means that your gestures is enabled. And you can play and pause the song, you can increase or lower the volume, play next or previous track with it. But if you don't need it, you just click at the slider, and if the slider and if the slider have empty background, it means that it's disabled and you cannot use your gesture. Now if you press on it or slide up, slide down, slide to the right, to the left, it won't work. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.